I was asked why the fries were so crispy and tasty. Look at the secret. I'm sure you'll love this easy and crunchy potato chip recipe. I will start cutting 3 potatoes, first into slices and then into strips. Once cut, I will add them all in a large bowl. And I'll add a teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons white sugar. Now I will add enough water to cover the potatoes. Finally, I'm going to add a cup of ice. It is important to add ice to the potatoes, because this will help us remove the starch. And I'll mix a little. Guys, today's recipe for chips, it is very easy to make and it looks delicious. I am sure everyone will like the result. I will let stand for 20 minutes, so that all the starch can be removed from the potatoes. After the time resting, I will strain all the potatoes, in order to remove the water, and take out the ice cubes. Once the ice cubes have been removed, I will place all the potatoes on absorbent paper, in order to dry it very well. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Malu Sarabosing from Philippines, also for Esnart Kasumpa from Zambia, and Faith Mickey from Nigeria. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. And so we should be very dry. Next, with the help of a strainer, I will sift a cup of wheat flour, common all-purpose. I will also add a cup of cornstarch, or also known as cornstarch. And I will sift very well, to remove the lumps. Now I'm going to mix a little, to integrate well the wheat flour and cornstarch. Once integrated, I will add the dried potatoes and spread it very well. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I love the fries, to send you a very special greeting. Then with the strainer I will remove the excess flour. And I'll add it quickly to a container. Then, in a plastic bag, I will add half. These we can store in the freezer, so that every time we want to make potato chips, we can fry it without problem. The best thing is that they last more than 3 months in the freezer, and they can also be fried frozen. Now in very hot oil, I will place it to fry for 5 minutes, moving it constantly so that they brown on both sides. After the time, and that the potatoes are golden on both sides, remove them from the oil, and place them on absorbent paper to remove excess oil. And already our French fries are ready. Look how crunchy they have been. Although I would like you to rate this recipe, from 0 to 10, to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni, and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.